Yo, what's up guys? My name is Marcus Angel. If you guys haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. Today we're at Grubhub in Modesto. It's a bunch of food trucks lined up and it's actually pretty cool. We're at Taqueria La Guadalupana. We got them Super Nachos right here. Woo! Look at that. Alright guys, so right here, I got me a Super Burrito carne asada, everything on it, sour cream on the side, no cheese. I don't eat cheese in my burrito. We got the green salsa, salsa de verde. You guys know what's up. You gotta get the fresh lime. Squeeze it on top, get some jalapeno, put it right here. Cheers, let's go, first bite. And pour some of green salsa.
Because you know how salt and pepper, like they're getting salty? This is
Here you guys. Oh, you want the burrito too? Here you guys.
I like it, it's good. It got flavor, the meat got some flavor. Pour some more. That right there. I love radish.
I just don't love rice salt. With your mouth.
Oh yeah, this is good. It has a perfect kick to it. They got some fried beans in here, rice, cilantro, onions. I wish they would add more cilantro and onions to give that balance. But overall, everything's really good. It has a lot of flavor.
Is it really spicy? Is it green salt? Oh, really? Oh, it was good. Avocado.
Get the classic Coke. Freshen. All right, let's try this Super Nacho. Super Nacho. Nachos is cool. Usually I like my Super Nachos with like guac on top. So they only added avocado, not really guac. But it has flavor. My wife dying because spicy for her. Right here they put the meat, sour cream, got the beans and the cheese. Yeah. Cheers. We got music slapping in the background. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, my burrito's low-key falling apart. Oh no. That was getting kind of spicy. Yo, if you guys are in Modesto, you guys gotta hit this spot up. It's a must, honestly. I feel like this is definitely a hidden gem. I'll be coming back here. I'm gonna try to hit up actually every single one. I think there's like 17 to 20 food trucks here. Okay, not every single one, most of it.
I thought you like soda where it's spicy sauce.
My burrito is falling apart already. It's like cracked down the middle. Squirt some lime. Oh shoot.
That sounds like Zyla. Do you guys know Zyla can laugh? She was laughing.
All right, I can eat some more, but I think I'm gonna call it done here because I want to get some dessert. Stay tuned for the dessert. It's gonna be at the churro spot. They got some fire churros. I could eat more, but it's getting kind of messy on me. And we about to do bowling. All right, so we packed everything to go. Just don't want to finish it right now. I gotta save some room in my stomach. Usually I tear it all up. But hey, much love to everybody. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to follow me for some more food adventures, baby. Let's go. It's fire. Deuces.